What's one mod or upgrade you'd never go without?
That's a tough one. I don't know. I seriously don't know. I mean, good tires and nice rims make it look good, you know?
The stock car is fine for me. I don't actually need a mod. The 991 is plenty fast. The 89 I want to keep bone stock. It's a special edition. The 79 became a race car. So it's got a full cage with fire system and, you know, the whole everything.
I'm one of those guys, I kind of like stuff the way Mother made it. I put intake screens on it, on the radiators and on the intake. I put a mount for my cell phone on the inside. My biggest disappointment with it is that Porsche, in all their wisdom, will not give me access to Google through the car. It will not give me Android CarPlay.
You know, I'm not really an upgrade kind of guy. I like to keep it stock and just straightforward, and I value reliability and the out-of-the-box performance I'm very happy with.
I mean, good suspension, big brakes, you know. We're used to slow cars that handle good.
Good tires now, really good tires.
Man, it's seat time. Seat time, seat time, seat time.
What I'd really like to do on the 997 that I haven't done is change the exhaust. I love the 997, it's a terrific car, but the stock exhaust is a bit wimpy. I don't have the factory sports exhaust. I do wish that was something it came with. So at some point here in the not too distant future, that'll be one of the first things I do on the 997 is change out the exhaust.
I would keep it like it is, totally. He might.
One mod or upgrade I would never go without is tires, because I go to autocross. And if you do not have better tires, your tires melt. So, and then that's not as much fun because the car squiggles. The car gets dirty, that means you're having fun, but you know, when the car wiggles when you're trying to go around a corner because the tires are too soft, you don't really understand what the car is going to do. So it makes you uncomfortable.
In general, I generally like original cars. My car's pretty original, but I have a stock head unit that's been upgraded for Bluetooth, so I can listen to good music.
I haven't done any mods to mine. It has the X73 suspension, the sports exhaust, sports chrono. I've been thinking about doing some mods, but haven't found one that I want to do yet. The way it is, it seems like I don't know what to improve on. I mean, I'd like to have another 100 horsepower, but that would be a GTS or something.
One mod I'm thinking of doing is with my Cayenne diesel is making it a off-roader. I mean, it's a sport utility truck, but to do make it into an overlander. Big wheels, big tires, lift kit, things like that.
Probably exhaust, turbo.
One mod or upgrade that I would never go without. Well, on the older cars, you've got to make sure that air conditioning is working. I have gone too long sometimes in older cars where the AC isn't working. I have a project car, which is a 73 914, which I yanked the compressor out of, weighs a ton. You know, with the 914, your air conditioning is your windows down, but the newer ones, yeah, gotta have the AC.
I'm Philip, thanks for watching. If you want to check out another video, check it out right there.